Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday from Nepal. Just kind of slept in this morning, and I'm out about right now, checking out one of the neighborhoods, kind of a touristy, yuppie area. It's called the Durbar Marg, and I don't know if you can kind of see, but like a lot of Western companies, even across the street there, you can see like Skechers and all these things are here. It's kind of a upper middle class kind of area, and it's like a lot of the places here are not affordable to many local Nepalese, but if you're a tourist or in the upper income bracket, this is where a lot of people come to shop and eat. Believe it or not, I've been eating so much Nepali food and Indian food lately. I'm actually craving something different, and I'm actually going to be going over to this Pizza Hut right across the street there. So it's going to be nice to have something different. Excuse me, to eat. But yeah, I'm definitely craving something different. I've been having a little too much daal and chicken curry and eggs and all this stuff. So I'm just looking to have something kind of I don't know, good old American and corporate, I guess. Normally I wouldn't eat at a place like that in America, but just want something different, a little taste of home, I guess. And anyway, but across the street there is the Hotel Annapurna, which is actually supposed to be a pretty posh hotel. I guess they're doing some construction and stuff. But I have another couple of days here, so I'm going to go and do some temple visiting tomorrow in Nepal. I'm going to go see the Pashupatinath temple. Excuse me, I'm still battling a little bit of a cough here since coming back down from Everest. And then Tuesday we're going to go and see another Shiva temple, and then Wednesday head back to the United States. So looking forward to it. It's been a really whirlwind trip. I'm glad I made it. Glad I took the effort to see this country. And believe it or not, I know a lot of people were concerned about how I was doing because I mentioned I was in the hospital, but I'm doing much better. I still have the cough. That's eventually going to go away. I'm taking a lot of medications, so I should be fine. And I'm just walking to the cross section here so I can go over to the local Pizza Hut. So I hope everybody's having a great day, enjoying their Sunday. Kind of give you the sights and sounds here of Kathmandu, Nepal, from where I'm at. This is the Durbar Marg district, kind of a westernized yuppie, a lot of Western companies district places. So if you're craving some conveniences of the West from i.e. the US, Canada, or Western Europe, this is probably the place you come. A lot of corporate establishments. Like here's a mall, for example, here. They have, you can see this, but there's like a Hard Rock Cafe there behind me. A Reebok store. And if you're really, really craving the West, you can have like Baskin Robbins ice cream and Levi's jeans, as you can see. So yeah, it's kind of amazing to see how there's like a real demand for Western products and Western taste and everything like that out here, and very interesting. So anyway, again, hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I'm doing much better. I'm gonna go have myself some Pizza Hut, just to have something different, and then head back to the hotel, relax, get ready for tomorrow. Got a lot of sightseeing tomorrow, and we're gonna go see some Lord Shiva temples and everything, and stuff that's been on my bucket list. So if you haven't visited Nepal, everybody should definitely make an effort to. I don't know if everybody's cut out for the Everest Base Camp. I had my challenges, but other than that, it's a great place, great country, great food. Everybody's really super nice, And yeah, so anyway, this is Dhaval signing off here from Kathmandu, Nepal, from the Durbar Marg district. And I will check in with you guys soon. I appreciate you guys liking all my videos and things here of my travels. You can see this right behind me, but kind of in the one of the main business districts here of Nepal too. So, all right, everybody, take care. I will check in with you guys soon.